Hello, in this video we will learn about the subtraction equation and its parts. A subtraction sentence consists of three numbers: minuend, subtrahend, and difference. The part you start with is called the minuend. The part being taken away is called the subtrahend. The part that is left after subtraction is called the difference. The minus sign represents subtraction resulting in a difference, and the equal sign shows that what is on the left side of the sign is the same value as what is on the right side of it. For example, here 5 minus 3 equals 2. A subtraction can also be solved by subtracting the minuend and difference to obtain the subtrahend. Alright, it's time for some practice now. And please pause the video to do each exercise yourself first before I do it, and then play the video to check your answer with mine, okay? Now, subtract and write the correct answer. Okay, the first one is 3 minus 2. Okay, let's say 3 minus 1, 2. There remains only 1, so 3 minus 2 equals 1. The next one, 5 minus 5. Let's say 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There remains nothing. So 5 minus 5 equals 0. The next one, 7 minus 2. Okay, 7 minus 1, 2. There remains 5. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. And the last one, 10 minus 4. 10 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. There remains 6. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you.